guys, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm here with week 4, episode 1 of Dee Dee's 3 in 15 Don't Freak Out Before Christmas challenge. And we are using paper bags today. So I had 2 bags that were this size. And I think this size is about 6 3/4 by 3 1/2 approximately. But I only had 2, so I found this itty bitty tiny one in my stash, and we're going to use that one too. This one is about 5 3/4 by 3, and I am just using some of the scraps left over from last week's projects. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. So yeah, I'm just going to use, this is on my desk, the Ground Espresso Distress ink, and I'm going to go ahead and ink up my pieces for this bag. And I hope you're all having a good Monday. I am filming this on Sunday evening. My grandma passed away a couple weeks ago, and I know I didn't say anything at the time. I just wasn't really ready to talk about it. But today we had a memorial service for her via Zoom, which, you know, it's kind of how everybody's doing anything these days, right? But it was really nice. My cousin and his husband, they live in Germany, they put together a beautiful slideshow of pictures of her life, and we all just kind of got to tell stories and you know, talk, and it was really nice. Yeah, it was nice to just be able to, you know, do something, because, you know, can't do anything organized, you know, no large gatherings and all that good stuff thanks to COVID. And this was, you know, an alternative. Wouldn't have been, you know, our first choice, but it worked. And yeah, so it was really nice. We did that this afternoon, you know, an hour or so, I guess. Maybe it was like 2 hours, and got to see some family members that I haven't seen for a while. And yeah, so that was my day today. Yesterday, let's see, oh no, I didn't do anything yesterday. Friday, Mike had the day off work, so we took the puppers back to daycare for the first time since, you know, they've been quarantined, and he and I spent the day antiquing and thrift storing, and we had a fabulous time. It was really nice. We got some really good deals, some really fun things, and yeah, and we had a good day together. So all right, that is sort of the idea. And then I pulled out, I have these labels and such. These are Tracy Fox labels, and I thought maybe we would just, you know, kind of add something to these, since they're fairly easy. I'm not going to worry too much about going over time, because it doesn't matter, right? It doesn't matter. Okay, maybe not. I like that. Okay. else is going on? So let's see. Oh yeah, big fun, exciting news. Some of you have already noticed I surpassed 3,000 subscribers. I'm so excited. Thank you, all of you, because I couldn't obviously, have done it without you guys subscribing. So thank you very much. I am working on the items for the giveaway. There will be, well, at this time, I am planning on having 5 winners, but I may actually up that to 6. I'm not sure yet, but I definitely have 5 things in the works. So I didn't forget, I promise. It's gonna take me, a couple days to get the items made that I want to include in the giveaway. So yeah, I'm so excited. I'll probably be back, I would say maybe Thursday with that video. That's probably, yeah, I'm gonna say Thursday will be giveaway video day. So make sure, if you haven't already, hit that little bell next to the subscribe button, so you won't miss out once I post that. Yeah, I'm so excited. It's, I say it all the time, but I do truly mean it. I really never ever expected to even have 100 subscribers. So to have 3,000 plus is just amazing. It's, yeah, so cool. So I thank you all so much for watching and for commenting and and all of that. I love reading all of your comments, and I try really hard to reply to everything, to all the comments, at least with the little heart, because I want you to know that I do truly appreciate the effort that you put into comments and the nice things that you say. It really does mean a lot to me, and I want you all to know that. Let's see, what else am I doing this week? So I had a request for a tutorial on an item that I made a year ago, and I'm gonna try my hardest to get that started at least this week. I don't know if I'll get all of the videos done for that this week, but I will at least get started on it. And it was kind of perfect because it was something that I was wanting to do again anyway. So yeah, great minds think alike. So yeah, I will do that, and I'm hopefully, yeah, let's see, the dogs are going to daycare again on Tuesday, so I'll probably get at least one video filmed for that while they're away, and then we'll see. I'm not sure how many videos I will need, but to complete that, but we will at least get started. And then I don't know, I have some other ideas in the works. So I'm gonna leave, I think I'm gonna leave this one. Am I gonna just leave it like that? Or do I want to add something to it? No, that would look silly. I think I'm just gonna leave it like that, and then it can be added to later. These are super cute. Make sure, if you haven't already, go check out Dee Dee's channel, and I will link her playlist. She has been adding not only her videos in this challenge, but everyone else's as well. So mine will be in that playlist, and everybody else, anyone else who is participating in the challenge, you will find their videos there as well. But I will also link just the playlist of the videos that I've done at the end of the video. You'll see it pop up on the screen. All right, so as you can see, there's a little thumb hole here in this bag. So I want to make sure that I don't want to put glue, you know, on that thumb hole. So what I'm going to do is this. And then I can add glue to the rest of it. Like so. Whoops. I want to make sure it sticks on the sides though, so I'm gonna, there we go. All right, now that should be fine. A little too much glue. There we go. Make sure I cover up. There was some writing at the bottom of the bag here. All right, so you end up with a pocket at the top, and then you have a little tiny pocket here. And it, depending on how you glue this into your journal, you could have a pocket on the side or the back or anything like that. I think I'm going to use this cute little bird label. All right, look at that, guys. I didn't even have to rush or stress out at all to get that under 15 minutes. Super cool. Yay. Alrighty. All right, add the pin back in my glue so I don't forget. And we'll put all this away. All right, there we go. Very cute, and they're all ready to go. And you could, you know, decorate the tops, and obviously I would add some other things to these two maybe down here at the bottom. But otherwise, they are ready to go. All right, so keep an eye out for the giveaway video. Like I said, that should be Thursday this week. I'm hoping I will be able to get everything together by then. And yeah, please like this video if you enjoyed it. I hope that it inspired you to maybe join in the challenge. You can find the hashtag for the challenge in the title of this video. And go check out Dee Dee's playlist of all the other ladies in the challenge. And I will see you soon. Take care, guys, and have a fabulous day.